increase and homes are on the market a bit longer as a result. Homes currently listed for sale have been on the market a median 67 days, 5 times what the market was experiencing just as recently as this past June. So, we are seeing some pricing adjustments as sellers wait for offers, though indications are that prices are not going to be slashed. Sellers may have to adjust their expectations as we head into a different market than we've recently experienced. It's Friday, August 6th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in the Annapolis real estate market. Mortgage interest rates dropped a bit this past week, and this continues to encourage a strong market with favorable purchase powers for buyers in the market now. Inventory for sale is up to 185 homes in all zip codes of Annapolis, and this is right on target for what the normal 5-year average is for this time of year. This means that we now have a normal market inventory for our area. Right now, there are actually more homes for sale over $1 million than there are in the average sales price for this area. 18 homes for sale priced under $300,000, 23 homes priced under $400,000, and 29 homes priced up to $500,000. Since last week's report, 37 homes were listed for sale, 29 homes are coming soon, 23 homes went under contract, 30 are temporarily off the market, 17 homes moved to pending, and 45 homes settled this past week. The highest priced home to sell was this waterfront home in Hillsmere's Estates for $2 million. There are only 20 rentals available in all zip codes of Annapolis, priced between $1,700 and $6,000. The moratorium on rental evictions ended, and we may see more rentals coming on the market in the next month as landlords begin to take their properties back. If you are a renter and you are behind on your rent and eviction is imminent, it's imperative that you reach out right now to the resources available to you for COVID rent relief. Funds are available to help you, but act quickly. See the links below for resources. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, get our free summer edition home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 6th. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to follow our podcast on your favorite platform. Have a super weekend. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next Friday.